For this DIY, I used two 16 by 20 canvases that I purchased at Walmart and one placemat that I also purchased at Walmart. First, I divided my placemat into two equal parts. And I used my scissors to cut it down the middle. Next, I painted both of my canvases with a flat black Rust-Oleum spray paint. Then I attached one half of my placemat to one of my canvases. First, I attached the straight edge of my placemat down the side of my canvas. Then I attached the rest of my placemat to the front of my canvas. I made sure that there were no openings between my canvas and my placemat on the side. Then I connected the other half of my placemat to my second canvas using the same procedure. Once I was done with my second canvas, this project was complete. Next, I'll show you my final product. This was a simple piece of wall decor to make, and I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the vase that I create to go along with it.